Hello everyone, nice to meet you. In today's video, I will very easily show you everything, from how to sign up on the global cryptocurrency exchange Binance app to futures trading. First, I will explain how to create a Binance account. To begin, please install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, run the app. Next, tap the sign up button to create an account. You can create the account using either an email address or a phone number, whichever is convenient for you. Agree to the terms below, and tap the continue button. When a verification code is sent to your email or phone number, enter that code. Next, create a password. Please create a password of at least 8 characters combining uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Next, you need to enter an inviter. Here, make sure to tap the Yes button. Then you can enter the referral ID. Enter BB333 in the referral ID. Then you can receive a 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus benefits, so be sure to enter it before signing up. Now let's proceed with the identity verification step. To use Binance deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions, identity verification is mandatory. First, select your nationality. Next, proceed with ID verification. From the list below, select one ID you can verify with. In this video, we will choose a passport. Then tap Take Pictures. Now align the camera and capture the passport information page. Next, perform face verification by positioning your face and following instructions to nod and blink. This completes the identity verification step. And review takes about 1 hour. After a short while, the identity verification will be successfully completed. Next, we will set up security using Google Authenticator. Return to the Binance home screen. Tap the Binance icon on the top left, then the arrow icon on the top right. Tap Security to configure security settings. Select Authenticator app. And tap Enable. When a verification code is sent to your email or phone number, enter it. Then the Authenticator setup screen appears. Here you can see Binance's 16-digit key. Copy this key. Next, download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile. After downloading, run the app. Tap the plus button at the bottom right. And choose Enter a setup key. Enter Binance in codename. And paste the 16-digit key into your key. Tap the Add button. And a 6-digit code will be generated. Copy the 6-digit code, and return to the Binance app. Tap Next at the bottom. Paste the copied 6-digit code into the Authenticator app code field. Then the Google Authenticator security setup is completed. Next, to proceed with futures trading, we will switch the Binance app to Pro mode. Return to the Binance home screen, and tap the Binance icon at the top left. Tap the Binance Pro button at the bottom of the screen, and it will switch to Binance Pro mode. Now you can start futures trading. Second, I will explain the Binance peer-to-peer deposit method. There are various ways to deposit coins into Binance, but in today's video I will explain the fee-free peer-to-peer method. First, tap the Assets button at the bottom right of the screen. At the top you will see several types of wallets. Here, Futures is the wallet used for futures trading, and Spot is the wallet used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. To deposit coins, tap Spot, and then tap Add Funds. When the deposit method selection screen appears, select the peer-to-peer method. Then the peer-to-peer trading screen will appear. First, tap this button at the top right to select a fiat currency to purchase coins with. Next, select by mode to purchase coins. Below that, tap this button to select the coin you want to purchase. Usually, USDT is commonly used because of high volume and low volatility. Tap the Next button to set the purchase amount. Tap the button next to it to select the payment method. Then a list of various advertisers will appear. For safer transactions, it is recommended to select advertisers with many trades and high completion rates. After selecting the advertiser you want, tap the Buy button. Some advertisers may require additional identity verification. Then set the purchase amount and select the payment method again. Before purchasing, be sure to check the advertiser's info. When you tap place order, the advertiser's deposit information will appear. Before making the deposit, check the advertiser's chat first. Then proceed with the deposit, after checking the deposit information once again. After the deposit is completed, tap Upload Payment Proof. Upload at least one payment proof. Then agree to the terms below. And tap Transferred, notify seller. Now return to the Binance home screen. Tap Assets at the bottom right. And tap Spot. When the advertiser confirms the payment, you can see the coins deposited into Spot. Third, I will explain how to do Binance Futures trading. To start futures trading on Binance, you must transfer coins from Spot to Futures. First tap Spot Wallet. Tap Transfer to send coins to Futures. Set the transfer direction from Spot Wallet to USDM Futures. And select the coin to transfer. Enter the transfer amount. After a moment, the coins will be successfully transferred to Futures. Now tap Futures at the bottom right to start trading. The Futures trading screen will appear. First, tap this button at the top left to select the coin you want to trade. Tap the button below to set the margin mode. Cross uses all margin to open positions. And isolated uses only part of the margin. For beginners, the relatively safer isolated method is recommended. Tap the button next to it to set leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Higher leverage increases profit potential, but also increases liquidation risk. So beginners are advised to use low leverage. Tap the next button to select position direction. If you expect the price to rise, choose buy. If you expect the price to fall, choose sell. Here you can see available margin. Tap the button below to set the order type. Limit means ordering at a specified price. Market means ordering at the current market price. Here you can set the price and quantity. Again, choose buy long if you expect price increase. Or sell short if you expect price decrease. After opening a position, tap Positions to check the position status. ROI means current return rate. Entry price is the entry price. Mark price is the current market price. Leak price is the liquidation price, and reaching it will automatically close the position. Tap TPSL to set take profit and stop loss. Finally tap Close to exit the position. Market closes at market price. Limit closes at specified price. Enter the closing price and quantity. And tap Confirm. Then the position will be successfully closed. In today's video, I showed you very easily everything, from signing up on the Binance app to futures trading. If you have difficulties while following or have questions, feel free to leave a comment. If this video helped you, please subscribe and like. I'll be back with a better video next time.